Good morning, guys. This is, I guess, video 4 of cooking at the house. Today, I know I look a little bit different. I'm out in the garden, or the herb garden, and we are going to talk about herbs, make some pasta carbonara, make some infused pasta. But out here, the herb garden is just taking off. I have the seed pods are going, but what I want to do is talk about identification first, and let's look around a little bit. Like right here, you can see this is oregano right here. Look at the flat leaves. Rosemary here. Both of these herbs here with the oregano and the rosemary, pretty aggressive herbs, so you want to use those lightly. Unlike the chives that are right here, that can pretty much go in anything, whether it be a chicken dish or fish or veggies or things of that nature. But we're gonna harvest a little bit and infuse some pasta in the kitchen in a few seconds. So let's talk about harvesting. So with the oregano, all I'm gonna do is just do some cuttings. You don't want to pull the whole plant up because this plant is a perennial and it will grow back. And also, when you harvest, a little bitty baggie with a little bit of wet paper towel in this will really be helpful as far as keeping all the herbs fresh. So again, pasta carbonara, we're going to do oregano, and we're going to harvest this garlic right here. And the garlic, you can either harvest the whole bulb like this and wash it, and you can use the whole thing, or you can, and I'll replant that, or you can cut garlic scapes like so. And the flavor of the garlic scapes is, it has an onion and garlic flavor, which is really, really good. The other thing we want to talk about today is seed propagation. So as you can see, right here, we have a little seed cocoon. So you take a little piece of pantyhose and cut it. And then we will put this pantyhose right over this flower, and this is a turnip plant actually, but you put it right over the flower, like so. And then, like this one here, I put a little tie strap right here. So after the seeds get mature, a couple 100,000 bees help those seeds propagate and pollinate, and then I'll put another tie strap right on top of this, and then I will cut the whole plant. And then I'll have my seeds for the future or the next season. So looks like we're ready to go to the kitchen.